Hello student, this is question number 8 of exercise 1.3. The cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and the loss of rupees 5 per bag for grey cement sold. So company is earning the profit on the white cement bag. That profit is rupees 8 and the company is incurring the loss of rupees 5 per bag for the grey cement sold. Now company is selling question A. Company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement. What is the profit or loss? So let us consider the profit, or let us denote the profit with positive sign and negative sign. Let us denote the loss with the negative sign. So negative represents the loss. So using this convention, let us calculate the profit earned on the white cement bag sold. We are solving the question A. So profit on 3000 bags white cement cement bag, that is 3000 multiplied by the loss is the profit is rupees 8. So rupees 8. Let us follow the convention. Positive 8. Positive stands for profit and 8 is the amount. So it is positive, thus 24,000. Here there was no sign, so we have to consider the positive. Positive into positive, positive 3 into 8, that is 24,000. So total profit or profit on cement bag is plus 24,000. Now let us calculate the loss on grey bag. Here 5000 bag of grey cement has sold, so it is 5000 bags multiplied by loss on each bag, loss per bag, that is minus 5. Here minus represent the loss and 5 is the amount of the loss or value of the loss. So it is minus 25,000. There is no sign for 5000, so it is plus into minus 25,000. Actually these are the rupees amount. Now whether it is a net profit or loss, so we will add them. A net, loss or profit, we don't know. We will add them, that is plus 24,000 and minus 25,000, which is the loss on the grey bag. So it will be plus into minus, positive and negative. We can, there are two integers with positive sign, one integer with positive sign and one integer with negative sign. So we will do the subtraction. 25 minus 24,000, that is 1000, and apply the sign of greater number, that is minus. So it will be minus 1000. So our final answer is minus 1000. As we have already considered minus represent the loss, so in the first question this minus 1000 represent the loss. So what is the profit or loss? So we will write the answer here. It is a loss of rupees 1000. which is actually represented as minus 1000. So in the first part of the question, the company incurred the loss of rupees 1000 after selling 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement. Now consider the next part of the question. What is the number of white bags it must sell to have a neither profit nor loss? Now we we have to sell the whites, the company have to sell the white cement bags so that there should be no profit and no loss, and at the same time the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags. So after selling the grey bags, on the grey bag company is incurring the loss. So total loss on 6400 grey bags, on each bag the loss is minus 5 and the bag sold 6400. So answer will be minus 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, carry 2, 6 fives are 30, 30 plus 2 32. So loss on grey bags will be minus 32,000 rupees. Now to satisfy the condition of neither profit no loss, the total profit on white bags should be equal to rupees positive 32,000. That means if there will be the profit of rupees 32,000 on selling the white bags, then there will be no profit and no loss, because minus 32,000 plus 32,000, their answer will be 0. Minus 32,000 plus 30,000, so net profit or loss will be rupees 0. So to satisfy this condition, the profit on the white bag should be rupees 32,000. Suppose the company is selling X number of bags. So that will be, total profit will be positive 32,000 X number of bags multiplied by, there will be the profit of 8 rupees 8 per bag. So X will be equal to 32,000. We have to divide by 8 both sides to get the value of X. So let us divide it with X plus 8. Let us divide it with plus 8. This plus 8 and this plus 8 will get cancelled, and here plus divided with plus, answer will be plus. 32 divided by with 8, it is 4. So 4,000. So number of bags should be 4,000. So to recover from the loss of selling 6,400 grey bags, the white bags sold should be 4,000 white bags.